Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Docker from an Ubuntu VDS safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Docker from an Ubuntu Virtual Dedicated Server, start by opening your terminal. Check the installed Docker packages with the command dpkg grepdocker. This will list all Docker-related packages currently installed on your system. Next, you'll want to stop the Docker service if it's running. Use the command sudo system stop docker. Now, proceed to uninstall the Docker packages. Run the command sudo apt-get purge dockerce dockerccli containerd.io. This command will remove the main Docker packages. To ensure all related packages are cleaned up, you can use the command sudo apt-get auto-remove. This will remove any unused dependencies that were installed with Docker. You may also want to delete all Docker images, containers, and volumes. Use sudo rmrf/var/lib/docker. This step will delete the Docker directory and all its contents. Additionally, you can remove the Docker group with the command sudo group-del-docker. Finally, perform a system update to ensure everything is in order. Run the command sudo apt-get update. You have now safely uninstalled Docker from your Ubuntu VDS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.